How to fix Instagram notes not showing. So if the notes are not currently available for you within Instagram, or you're not being able to see other people's note, in this video let me show you the way that you can fix the issue. Now in this situation, the first thing that you need to ensure is that you have enabled the activity status. If the activity status for your account is disabled, this is the exact issue that you're facing. So what you need to do is tap on the three lines on the top right, head over to messages and story replies, and make sure that the show activity status is toggled on. If this was previously toggled off for you, this is the exact issue that you're facing. But however, if this is not the case with you, what you need to do then is try to clear out the app cache. So just hop out of the app of Instagram, tap and hold the app, head over to this eye icon. If you're using an iOS device, you'll need to head over to iPhone storage and then offload the application. From the settings page, head over to storage and then tap on the clear cache option as well as tap on clear all data. What this will do is remove any sort of corrupted files, as well as it will log you out of your account. So make sure you log in back and try to see if this fixes the issue. If the issue still persists, the last thing that you can try out is try to uninstall the app of Instagram from your device and then again re-download it. So that's pretty much all there is to it. If this video was helpful to you in solving your issues, be sure to subscribe. I'm going to see you in the next one.